Hi, it's Kirk from Air Sound and Vision in Cairns again. With the single cab Toyota Landcruiser utes, in 2017 they changed the shape of the steel in the back of the cab. So pre-2017, the support beam that runs along the steel at the back underneath the window is around 390 millimetres off the floor of the cab. So the boxes that we have been doing up to this point fit perfectly well. With 2017 onwards, that support beam in the back of the cab is a lot higher and the floor is a lot lower, so there's more space. We've developed this new box to fit into those vehicles, so it sits at around 470 millimetres. If you have a 2017 or 18 Landcruiser, it's best that you get a measuring tape and measure the vehicle first before ordering a box. That way you're guaranteed to get one that's going to fit perfectly into your car. The big change between the two boxes, with the older style, the limited space we had made us push the length of the box out for tuning, and we've allowed this panel here for mounting the amplifier. With the newer vehicles, given the extra height, we've managed to shorten the box and also recess the amplifier panel into the box, so it's far more compact. Most of your digital amplifiers, especially your Alpine, PDR and PDX series, will fit neatly and easily onto this space, making cable running easily, and your jack handles will still fit in the factory positions on the rear wall of the ute and slide in behind this.